as the dust has settled here in southwest Michigan. The dust is not settled for up north. There are currently tornado warnings out for counties, St. Joseph County and Cass County. Anybody who hears tornado sirens, get into your safe spot. And yeah, just a PSA, I guess. All right, be safe.